Hi everyone, so this week we're going to do an exercise that helps a double chin and helps to define the jawline. It also helps to exercise that large muscle at the front of the neck, the platysma. It's very simple. You lift your head backwards, just put a little bit of gentle resistance on your collarbone, and then what you're going to do is you're going to take the tip of your tongue and press it into the roof of your mouth just behind your teeth. And you do that with your mouth closed. I'll just show you with my mouth open so that you can see. But closing the mouth, putting the resistance on the collarbone, tipping your head back, and then you just press your tongue into the roof of your mouth 10 times. And come down. And we'll repeat that again. You should feel the muscle going up and down as you press your tongue into the roof of your mouth. To take that a little bit further, we're just going to do it to the side. So turn sideways in one direction, just tip your head back to 45 degrees, and then again do 10 presses with your tongue. And gently come back to the centre and take that to the other side. Come back to the centre, to the opposite side again. And one final time. Come back to the centre, take a nice deep breath in and out. So as you can feel, a great one for exercising the jawline. You'll also feel the muscles at the back of your tongue having a good exercise with that one as well. So as usual, any comments or questions, put them below. Take care, and I will see you in the new year.